Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sebelumnya, saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Ibu Fiza Rauzika Altasa SSMS selaku dosen pengampu mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris Profesi. Nama saya Lola Volinda dengan NIM 220404006. Saya dari Prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Indonesia, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan Universitas Samudra. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan pernyataan tentang efek positif dan negatif dari mendapatkan berita di media sosial menjelang pemilihan presiden. As a democracy, elections are a means for people to choose their leaders and determine the direction of state policy. However, with the development of technology and the penetration of social media in society, it can affect this democratic party. Social media also provides space for the public to express their opinions on political issues and candidates. In the 2024 general election, social media will be increasingly dominant in the campaign process and influence people's perceptions of the candidates. The use of social media in political campaigns has proven effective in building an image and reaching potential voters. However, the use of social media also has potential negative impacts on elections, such as the spread of hoax information and hate speech that can trigger social conflict and worsen the political situation. Therefore, the government, election management institutions, and the community need to work together to prevent the spread of hoax information and ensure the healthy and beneficial use of social media. In the context of the 2024 elections, there are several impacts of social media use that need to be considered. The spread of hoax information and hate speech can trigger social conflict, reduce voter turnout, and even threaten the integrity of the election itself. However, on the other hand, social media also provides space for active community participation in the democratic process, increase transparency and accountability, and strengthens the relationship between leaders and the people. Positive impact of social media use on 2024 election. Increasing active community participation. With the widespread penetration of the internet and social media in Indonesia, people are becoming more active in expressing their opinions and participating in the democratic process. Social media allows people to interact directly with candidates and political parties and obtain information easily and quickly. This can increase people's active participation in the electoral process and increase the level of trust in democratic institutions. Next, improving transparency and accountability. Social media is used as a tool to increase transparency and accountability of government and electoral institutions. In this context, social media can reinforce, open, and strengthen the relationship between leaders and the people. For example, social media can be used as a tool to monitor and report acts of violation or fraud in the electoral process. Next, improving the effectiveness of political campaigns. Social media allows candidates and political parties to reach voters in a cheaper and more effective way. Political campaigns through social media can increase the popularity and awareness of candidates in political parties more quickly and effectively. In this context, social media can help candidates and political parties to reach a wider target audience. Negative impact of social media use on the 2024 election. Spread of hoax and hate speech information. The spread of hoax information and hate speech on social media can affect people's perceptions of candidates and political parties. This can lead to a decrease in voter turnout, increase social tension, and even threaten the integrity of the election itself. Next, unhealthy political discussion environment. Social media provides a space for people to discuss and share information related to political issues. However, in some cases, political discussions on social media can become unhealthy and dangerous. Hate speech, insults, and intimidation are often part of political discussions on social media, which can make things worse. Next, public opinion manipulation. Manipulation of public opinion in the electoral process. In some cases, certain groups or individuals can manipulate information and create false or misleading narratives. This can affect people's perception of candidates or political parties and even change the outcome of elections.